see something behind me and I don't want to move the camera. This is from my backyard, basically. You can see reflections of fireworks from the front of the house on the back of these houses that we're facing. This is what it looks like at night from my house across the valley.